Hey, how you doing? It's Kwan Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate in multiple companies, product creator. I mean, you know this video already, right? And today, I got some news for you to use. So I'm gonna teach you how to save money on your insurance. Wait, no, seriously. During this pandemic, I'm gonna teach you how to save money on your car insurance. So don't go anywhere. But before we get started, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. So that way you get notified when I do these type of videos and you won't be missing out. All right, so here we go. Let's dive right into it. So I don't know if you're aware of this, but right now you can actually save money on your car insurance. Yep, that's right. Save money on your car insurance during this pandemic that we're dealing with. Now, these are times that we've never dealt with before in our life, and they put a lot of people out of work, out of, displaced, and made them have to move money around and move things around whether they like it or not. So because of so, a lot of insurance companies are actually working with their members, believe it or not, for those that really are out of work right now, are in a bad situation, can't pay their bills, or just got to, move things around and just can't do things like they was doing things weeks ago prior, before this all, took place. Also, a lot of us aren't even driving right now because we're all in quarantine, right? And the only where we go, or the only times we do drive is when it's for essentials. So because of that, right now it's really technically not even fair for you to be paying full price for your insurance when you're not even driving your car to capacity that you was before this happened. When you was driving before this, yeah, you was at risk more because you was on the road. There was a lot more cars on the road. You was putting in more hours, you was putting in more miles a month, so it made perfect sense. Right now, you're not putting in no 1,000 miles a month on your car, right? Unless you're a truck driver driving essentials or something. So due to that fact, why should you be paying full price? And that's exactly what we're talking about right now. So think about if you have multiple vehicles. You might have a car, you might have a family car, minivan, you might have a motorcycle, couple, you might have an RV. All these things are just sitting up in storage right now, right? So definitely shouldn't be having to pay full price for them, especially during a time where you need to, save every dollar you have, be able to secure the bag. So with that being said, and with that being known, okay, we took a chance, or I took a chance. I said, you know what? Let me see if I can get this lowered. And that's exactly what happened. That's exactly what I did and got. So this is how it all went down. Called my insurance company. Told them, look, I'm not even driving right now. Right now my car is put up. I only drive for essentials. Can I get my rate lowered? They said, yes, actually you can. We'll lower your rate, by $40. So I'm saving $40, and we'll lower it until June or July, until this pandemic is over, and we'll revisit, see where we're at, and if everything's good and everything's been lifting, then we'll go back to business as usual, and we'll put your rate back where it was at. But if it's not, and we're still dealing with this, then we'll just keep it where we just lowered it, and we'll keep on moving, and we'll reevaluate later. I said, perfect, appreciate it, good looking out. And the nice thing about that whole situation, it didn't even take 5 minutes to make this all go through. Didn't sit me on the phone for hours, didn't have me going from push 1, if you want to talk to this person, push 2, you want to talk to that person, push 3. I didn't have to deal with any of that. Got somebody quick, they dealt with it, they was nice, they was courteous, and they sent me on my way with a reduction. All right. So that company was Geico. So if you happen to be with Geico, good chances you'll probably get the same situation, the same results, right? So, I don't know if it's a case by case basis. I don't know if they're judging it on what you already got going on. How many vehicles you have, how long you've been with the company, any of that. I can't say. But what I can say is they lowered my rate. Okay. And, so I highly recommend that you call your insurance companies and try the same thing. Worst thing they can say is, we can't do anything for you. Best case scenario, they can do a whole lot for you. But either way it goes, you gotta be in it to win it. And shoot, you can't win the game without being in the game, right? So you gotta get in the game, see what's up, put it out there, let them tell you what they can or can't do for you. We don't assume, So call your insurance companies. I think it behooves you. And then, like I said, see what they can do for you. They might be able to do a whole lot. They'll not be able to do anything. But at the end of the day, you won't know until you try. And believe it or not, in more cases than not, your insurance company is going to work with you. They're going to say a few different things. It depends, One, they could just literally just drop your rate significantly, like they did my friend, and he saved 60%, on his insurance. Or they can do like they did me and just give you a significant reduction, say, okay, you're going to pay $40 less. So now I pay $40 less a month for my insurance, okay? They said this is going to go on until June or July. So literally my rate has been adjusted until June or July. And then in June and July, they're going to reassess where we're at with this pandemic, see where we're at as a country, if things have been lifted, the ban, so forth and so on. And if it has, then cool, business as usual. We go back to business as it was. Your job is to secure the bag at this particular time, because we don't know where we're going to be at, in the next couple of weeks. We don't know where we're going to be at in the next couple of months. So the more money that we can save and put away, the better off we are and the more secure we are with our families and situations. So that's why I'm bringing this news that you can use. Also, I've been blessed to not be distressed and put in a bad situation, because I make all my money from home. 100% of my money comes from home. So this, when we was on quarantine, anything like that, basically was just do what you've been doing, Kawan. So I've been blessed to be in that situation, but I'm not naive to think that everyone's is going to be in that situation and everyone's going to just have a pipeline. So knowing that, here goes my number one way that I'm making money right now, making over $24,000 a month, with this company. And I don't pay a penny over $87 a month to maintain it. All right, full transparency. So if you want to know what that company is all about, you can see the link below, getmoneylikeaboss.com, and you can see what I'm all about. Also, if you want to see everything that I'm into, really see, what I'm all about, and what I bring to the table, then you can go check out my personal site, kawan.com. Also, if you have any questions, all right, even about what we talked about today, anything, call me, 619-306-9453. I'd love to answer any questions you have. All right, man. Y'all stay safe out there. Appreciate you. Have a blessed day.